Welcome back to CTV Cooks. My name is Bo Rainey, and on this episode of Cooking with Science, I am joined here by Sheila, who is a master teacher with the Little Shop of Physics. We're here in the LSC during the Little Shop of Physics open house event. And today, she made liquid nitrogen ice cream for us, and I wanted to go ahead and talk a little bit more about that.
Sounds wonderful.
Yes, so do you have any fun facts about liquid nitrogen that first off you'd like to talk about?
Well, what's interesting is nitrogen is 78% of our atmosphere, and so really you're making the ice cream with air.
Yeah. Is your liquid nitrogen ice cream recipe very top secret, or can you tell me a little bit more about what you guys did?
Oh, it is so easy. If you can get the liquid nitrogen,
yes,
you can make this.
Which I'm sure you can just find lying around anywhere.
Yes. Well, if you have a doer, I think you can go to like Air Gas and other companies.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And so they will sell you liquid nitrogen.
Oh, that's
it's just
brilliant.
the doer that you need.
The doer, that's probably
yes.
the container that we saw that was holding the liquid
yes.
nitrogen. And I
yes.
guess that helps keep it cold?
Oh, yes. Otherwise it would evaporate and we would have
no liquid nitrogen.
Yes, no liquid nitrogen. But
awesome.
The recipe is so simple. We used 1 quart of whole milk, 1 quart of heavy whipping cream,
okay,
one pound box of sugar, and a dab of vanilla.
Awesome.
And that's it,
Great.
except for the liquid nitrogen.
Yep, and then of course.
That's important to stir in so that you get air into the liquid mixture so it isn't like ice milk.
Okay, what would you say, what is the liquid nitrogen doing when it is, when you pour it into the bowl with all of your other ingredients?
Okay, well it's boiling, and so in order to boil, it needs to pull heat energy from things that are warm around it. So
okay.
The milk and the cream are much warmer than the liquid nitrogen, so it pulls the energy, the heat energy from that. Then it boils and evaporates. And then because the liquids have had their heat energy pulled from them, they change phase and become a solid.
Oh wow, okay, cool. So it seems like that's a pretty awesome way to use science to make some kind of food.
It definitely is, because the phase changes are all about how you move energy around.
Awesome. And does the liquid nitrogen actually become a part of the ice cream? Like, are you eating it, or does it just kind of evaporate off and it doesn't?
It evaporates. For a while, some of it gets trapped in there, and that helps make it more airy.
Oh, more fluffy?
Yes, but then it goes off into the
awesome.
atmosphere.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time, Sheila.
Oh, you're
It's a
welcome,
great pleasure talking to you.
Great pleasure meeting you too.
Thank you so much for everything. So here I have a little sample of the liquid nitrogen ice cream they've made. I'll go ahead and take a bite. It's absolutely delicious, better than most ice creams I've had ever. So this just shows you cooking with science can get you a much better result. For CTV Cooks, my name is Bo Rainey. Have an absolutely sweet night, Rams. Great.